Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now this case is made by Schnail. It's a leather wallet case. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, now before we get started, let me tell you when you get this from. You can get it from Amazon. This is the Cognac color leather case, and it's $29.99 on Prime. It's a little different than the vintage brown that I did for the video I did for the iPhone case, but so it's a little lighter color, different texture as well. All right, but I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box that comes in. Schnail has this gray looking box, minimal information on the box. You got the Schnail symbol there, nothing much on the back, and you got that little grippy material. So it's a nice box, nice presentation there. And you got a little pouch inside that the case comes in. Let's go ahead and pull this out, set this to the side, get it out of the way. Now, as you can see, this has the Cognac color. It's not that suede kind of feeling leather, but this is a more slippery, shiny leather. But it still looks pretty decent. You see you have the slot inside for your card. You can put an ID card right there. You got two more slots. You can put two more credit cards if you want. They recommend not stacking the cards more than one in a slot. Most people probably wouldn't do that. Then you got an area for the bill. You can put your bills in there and other documents if you want. This is the TPU for the device that you put inside to hold it in place. Pretty slim. And you got this nice magnet here. What I like about this magnet is it's not big and floppy, so it doesn't flop around, and it stays in place, and it closes up pretty good, so it won't open up. This doesn't have the spine like the book, that looks like the book, but it's more rounded and probably will feel better in the hands as well. You got the opening for the mic right there, so you can speak without having to take the phone out. And then you got the opening for the camera that's going to be protected there. You got this little crease to simulate the different positions when you put it in kickstand mode. You got a little stitching right there that you can see, if you can see it on the camera right there, right? You got your openings for your port, and your charging port, and your speaker, and your S Pen down there, and your mic, all right, on the bottom and up top as well. All right, so let's get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, so we got the Note 20 Ultra right here. Let's go ahead and put it inside the device, inside the case. All right, so nice snug fit in the TPU, and it's pretty slim. You got this clear side right here. You got your power button and your volume up down rocker right there. And again, your opening lined up, everything is fine there. You can get to the S Pen, no problem, in and out. And your mic up top lines up as well. All right, now the kickstand feature, you can set this up like that to watch YouTube videos or a movie if you want. So that's pretty neat that you have that inside. If you're gonna take a picture, you gotta hold it open so you can see through the camera, because if you fold it back, it's gonna cover the camera. So just be aware of that. And the camera is protected very well. You can see that, no problem there. And it feels good in the hand, not too bulky. And it's gonna give you a nice executive look when you go to your meetings. And when you want that professional look, this is going to work for you. Now, this rib, the spine area is round, so it feels good in the hand. And this is not a bad case. I mean, I would use this if I you know, I do have many others as well, but I would use this case if I was, you know, at work in a business setting, and it works well for that. Okay. So we're going to check out wireless charge to see how that works, if that works with this case. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we got the wireless charger right here. We're going to go ahead and put it on, and I'll open it up so we can see if the charge picks up. All right, so it did pick up a charge, no problem there. And the laying down is okay. Now let's see if it can pick up a charge when you stand it up. Let's see what happens there. All right. So it picked up a charge when it stood up as well. So that's pretty cool. Now let's see what happens when we lay it down in portrait mode to see if it picks up a charge. This is the most difficult one with these kinds of cases. But it might do it if you set it just right. Let's see. So I hadn't picked up anything yet. Okay, so it picked up a charge in the landscape mode as well. So you just got to sit it in the right spot and it'll pick up the charge, all right? So it will charge wirelessly. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Schnail wallet card holder case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. You can use it in kickstand mode as well. And nice executive look that you'll get there with this cognac leather. That looks pretty good. And it feels good in the hand. For those that like these kinds of cases, this might be a good one for you. All right. Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.